Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to find App Store in your Samsung Smart TV. So follow this process step by step and you'll be able to see your App Store in your TV. So let's go through this process. Here is the only apps available in the App Store can be installed on Smart TV or projector. So make sure this is an important note. And the process is from the home screen, navigate to and select apps. Like once you're on the home screen on your like Samsung Smart TV, so you will be able to see an option called apps and then select search icon on the top right corner. Like as you can see in the screenshot, this is the like app section and this is the search bar on the top right corner, and from here just enter the app you want to download, select it and then select install. Once you have downloaded the apps you want, it's time to enjoy them. Press home button to open the home screen menu. If the app is listed on the home menu, use the remote directional pad to navigate to it and open it. So if the app isn't listed on your home menu, use the directional pad to select apps and then select the app you want. And here is another note, like you can add an app to the home screen by going to the apps, then select settings icon in the upper right corner and highlighting you desired app and then selecting add to home. So that is a complete and easy process of how you can do it.